Having trouble receiving SMS messages on your Tesco mobile phone? Tesco Mobile operates on the O2 network, and SMS issues can arise from a few common causes. The first thing to check is your message center, also known as SMSC number. This is the central hub for SMS delivery. For Tesco Mobile, it should be set to +447785160005. An incorrect SMSC will prevent you from receiving texts. On Android, you can usually find this setting under Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, Access Point Names, Message Center. Make sure it matches the correct number. The next most common issue is storage. If your phone's internal memory or SIM card is nearly full, new messages might be rejected. Clear out old messages, delete unnecessary files, or consider using cloud backup for your texts to free up space. A full storage can stop you from receiving texts. If your message center and storage are fine, the problem might be a blocked sender. Check your messaging app's block list to ensure the sender isn't accidentally blocked. Open your messaging app settings and review the blocked numbers or messages section to see if the sender is listed there. Also, carriers like Tesco Mobile can implement network-level spam filters that block unsolicited messages. If you suspect a carrier-level block, contact Tesco Mobile support to investigate. They will be able to lift the block. While SMS is still widely used, it's gradually being replaced by richer messaging protocols like RCS or Rich Communication Services. Tesco Mobile plans a full RCS rollout by 2027, which promises multimedia support and read receipts, potentially eliminating SMSC-related issues. RCS supports multimedia messaging, videos, and rich cards, unlike traditional SMS, which is limited to text only. The rise of RCS and cloud-based messaging will likely reduce storage-related problems in the future. For now, keeping your SMSC correct, managing your storage, and checking for blocked senders are the best ways to ensure reliable SMS reception on Tesco Mobile. If all else fails, contact Tesco Mobile support.